Hello everyone, how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. So let's start. First open your Chrome and go to the right hand side and click on the three dot and scroll down, and you can see the one option, open Gemini in Chrome. Just click on it and the right hand side you can see your Gemini is open. So here in top side, the start new chart, and you can just type your question. So I just create here one image. Okay. So I just cat image with ball. Okay. And just press the enter and wait for the few seconds to create the image. And here see your image is created. Okay. And top side here you can see the more option also available. And the third one, pop out chart. When you click on it, you can set this Gemini chart anywhere. I click on again here and you can set here right hand side. And when you click on the three dot for more option, here you can see the last settings and help. I just click on the setting and help. And in setting and help, the last option, open Chrome setting. I click on this and you can see your Gemini in Chrome setting is open. If you want to show the Gemini at the top of the browser, just click on this option. So I just turn on this option and you can see your Gemini top of the Chrome here showing. Okay. When I turn off this option is removed. Okay. So I just turn on this, and with this other option also available, you can check here for Gemini setting. Okay. And if you want to open the Gemini by using the shortcut key, you can press the Alt plus G, and here the Gemini is the right hand side is open. Okay. Now you can easily use here. If you want to change the shortcut keys of the Gemini, just click on the three dot, again click on the setting and help, and click on the open Chrome setting. And here you can see the keyboard shortcut, open Gemini with the keyboard shortcut. You can edit here the shortcut key also. Just click on the edit icon and type here your shortcut key. Okay. So I just close this tab and I just close here. And you can see on top also Gemini showing. Just click on it and here you can use your Gemini. Okay. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.